guys, I am about to experiment with making some rose water. Everybody talk about how easy it is. I want to make the clear rose water because last time I made it, it had like a red tint. But they said just let the actual leaves cook for a little longer until they get pale, and that should be able to give you clear rose water. What you also be needing is some distilled water too. So go ahead and take all of your leaves off. I am using some roses that are almost dead. I got these from Publix. Thank you, Publix. They gave it to us for free for the anniversary. So I'm going to add some distilled water, put it inside of a pot, and let's get going. And just pull this smack off, and then you'll have all these petals. Just pull it straight up, pull it out, and you have all these petals. See, I pulled it out, and then you just, here's all the petals. Go ahead and put enough distilled water only that can fill up the whole, all the petals. And don't use none of this, only the petals. Okay, now go ahead and add your distilled water. Okay, and then turn it on. We're gonna put it on medium for now until it start boiling. We're gonna turn it down. And you're gonna let it simmer for about a good 20 to 35 minutes. And once it is completely clear and the petals are pale, then you'll know it's done. What I like to do is always add a wooden spoon to anything that is boiling. You'll be so surprised how it won't boil over some kind of way scientifically with this wooden spoon. So let's go ahead and let it sit. Again, check it, make sure it ain't burning or nothing like that, but keep your eye on it. But again, let it simmer for about a good 25, 35, 40 minutes, okay? Until the actual leaves are completely pale. First time I made this, it was all red because I didn't let the leaves sit for a long time and it made a mess. So make sure the leaves are completely pale and the water is completely clear. Okay, guys, once again, this is an epic fail. It is so red. Once again, I am trying to make it clear, but I was going to put it inside of that glass container, but it stained up everything. So I just decided not to even use it. I'm going to go ahead and spill it out. If you guys know of a way to get this clear, if you guys will let me know below. But this is an epic fail, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. Don't use grocery store roses when you are doing this. So maybe it could be that. So don't do it with grocery store roses. They were so gorgeous. But again, my problem was last time I did them, this water is really, really red and it does not smell. So to me, if it's red like this, it'll stain all kind of things like this even stain. So I really think, to be honest with you, this could possibly be a good hair dye. Not sure, but I think it possibly could be. Okay? Be blessed, guys.